They sell you confusion, wrapped in the colors of division. They want you lost in a war of skin tones, so you never see the unshakable legacy standing right before you. Let's cut through the noise. Samson, from the tribe of Dan, a man of the Middle East, of Semitic blood. The scriptures are clear, but show me the verse that calls him black. Show me the one that calls him white. You can't, because it isn't there. That ink is fresh, a modern projection onto an ancient covenant. Now let's confront a painful truth. The real black Jews, the Beta Israel of Ethiopia, the communities in Yemen, the souls in South Africa. Their history is not a theory, it's carved into 3,000 years of ritual, of sacrifice, of survival. And what is their reward? Persecution. Not from some distant system, but from the very voices who claim all black history as their own. So I ask you, make it make sense. If the tribe of Abraham belongs to all, why are its black children hunted and silenced? Why is their documented history erased by a hashtag? This was never about race, it's about truth. It's about a sacred protocol that cannot be rewritten. Samson doesn't need your validation. He has his anointing, he has his legacy. It is time to stop fighting over shadows and start honoring the substance. The covenant doesn't bend for you, it endures.